Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to log into Stumble Guys with your Apple ID. If you're trying to log in or connect to your Apple ID for Stumble Guys, then here is how you can easily do it. Simply open your Stumble Guys application to get started. Once you're inside this main homepage, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. You will then come across this interface. Here, at the very top of the screen, you'll be able to see three options: Facebook, Apple, and email. If you also want to connect your Apple ID with your Stumble Guys account, you can simply tap on the sign in with Apple button. Then, you can go ahead and tap on the continue button and log in via Face ID if you're using an iOS device. When prompted, you might also want to type in your Apple ID followed by a password. Soon after you complete this step, you'll be able to log in or connect with your Apple ID to Stumble Guys. So that is how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.